Hi, I hope you're okay. So this is our final English lesson, and what I'd like you to do today is to find this in your work pack. I think you have got two of these sheets in your work pack, and it's a book review. Okay, so I would like you to now review. It's not that it wasn't a full book, wasn't it, as such, but it was a story, wasn't it? So I would like you to put the title of your book here. Mrs. Cockram is going to write the title of the book here. Okay, I'll do that with you now. Playground Rescue, wasn't it? So I know it's a title of a book, so I need to have a capital letter for both of those. Playground Rescue. Now we've got some questions here. We've got, who is the main character? I think we've got three main characters though, don't we? So you might have to find space for them. You could fit them underneath if you needed to though, couldn't you? We've got the question, where is the story set? So we've got, who is the main character? Who is the main character? Where is the story set? And what happens in the story? Okay, so it says describe the main events. So this part here is for you to write, what are the main parts in that story? What are the main things that happened? I don't want you to retell me the full story. I want you to just tell me the main parts of that story, okay? So it's not the full story, it's just the main parts, the main thing that happens, okay? So where the story is set, who is the main character, and what happens in the story, okay? So see if you can have a go at doing that. Remember to be writing in beautiful sentences, okay? Yeah. And that is all I've got you. That's the only challenge for you today with your English, okay? So it's quite a nice one, is that one? And I hope you've enjoyed this superhero work. The next work pack that you get, we are going to be focusing on different skills that will be linked to our phonics work as well that we're doing. So we might just be having, I want you to actually see if you can find your book, The Journey Home. Mrs. Cockram gave them out to you all last summer as part of your work pack, but we're going to be doing some English work with that story, The Journey Home, which I think you will really like. But I want to be focusing on like character descriptions, which is a little bit what you've done there, and looking at adjectives, nouns in more detail, okay, because they are the things that we're going to be needing to help us with writing, okay? So, and I just think to move forwards with that, then we're going to have a little bit of work looking at different parts of the story and sequencing stories, and I think you will really enjoy it, okay, because you'll have a book as well to look at if you've got that book at home, and if not, there's Mrs. Cockram will read it to you anyway, and there'll also be an online version as well of that story, so that'll be quite nice. But you should all have a copy of it from when we gave it out last year in year one. It was the summertime, I'm sure. But have a lovely day, and don't forget to collect your new work pack. And yeah, happy learning, everybody. It's great fun, and just keep at the great work. And I can't wait to have a look at all your work packs that you brought in. I think there was a problem with some people's work packs, that there were some pages missing, but the next one is going to be in order. So it's going to have Monday, and it'll have your maths, your English, if there's a phonics activity, and if there's any topic activity, but they'll all be together. They won't all be in different parts of the book. And then at the very back of your pack, you are going to have there any resources that you need for maths and any extra worksheets that you might do in your own time. They're not compulsory, they're just if you want to do in your own time, and like letter formation, number formation. So that will be at the back of your pack, okay? Really missing you all. See you later. Bye.